Hey guys, so it's important to make sure you're on the correct fertilization program for your lawn. We don't want to be over-fertilizing and we don't want to be under-fertilizing. Over-fertilizing will require you to mow more often and it'll actually require more irrigation because your plant's growing so fast that it requires more water to supply all that. So we don't want to be overdoing it, plus it wastes money and there could be nutrients that is not used that'll leach down further into the soil where your grass can't use it anyway, so it's just all a waste. And we don't want to under-fertilize because we do the correct amount, we will get a healthy turf grass in your lawn, which will actually tolerate less watering and also do a better job of controlling your weeds, and it'll just look a lot better. And here at Century with our program, you're going to get our fertilizer application in the spring to get everything going and recover from the winter. You're also going to get one in June, which is right before the heat of the summer, so we can try to get your grass healthy to tolerate the summer. And also there will be a third one heading into the fall to get everything ready to go in towards winter and recover any issues that have come about from the summer. And this goes in with our fertilization weed control program. It's all one big program where we do the fertilizer and control your weeds. So if you have any questions on that, you can always let us know. And please remember, we exist to free your lives of outdoor maintenance.